it's Lucy again. So I'm gonna teach you how to fix your hair. It's really curly. Oh my god. So you need a brush, which is I have, and I'm gonna show you something that's really special, and it helps your hair, and you want to take care of your hair. That's what I do. Okay. So first we're gonna need a brush. Oh wait, no. First we're gonna need water, a brush, which is I have, and this. It's really good for curly hair, and you want to buy this. I take care of my hair once a week. Well, not once a week, like this too. Every single day. So here we have it. Do you want to read it? Do you see that? You can buy it. It's at Target. Just don't forget the Target. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna tell you something. Well, I'm gonna make a video about getting something. And well, so, first if I wanted to do my hair, well, I'm gonna talk about this first. Well, if you comb your hair, it'll just mess up the whole thing. You have to start all over on your hair. Don't forget, don't comb your hair. You have to put water in first. It's going to have water. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do another video, but it'll be maybe tomorrow. It won't be tomorrow, in 5 days. It's kind of getting dark. And my sister Carlo, she went on her run. Make sure you want to get water all over your hair. The back, even here. Okay, now we're going to comb it. And you're here. Okay, there we have it, my messy hair. Okay, now we have our police. Now we have this, the magic thing. It's magic. Okay, so if I would want to waste this, if you want to squirt so much, I'm going to squirt this much. That's how much I squirt. And then as long as like this. Like that, but I have an accident squirted too much. That would be so much. Look at that. It gets frizzy. Comment. Not frizzy, it gets frizzy like hair comes up. Make sure you take care of your hair. Okay, that looks good. Okay, well, I'll see you later.